Okay guys, today we're going to be playing some Jailbreak, and I did get the thing, so we're going to play a song. 264. There we go. Okay, so let's play that. Let's turn down the game volume. Let me turn up the game volume so you can hear it. Pick this guy up. Hopefully he'll get in the car so that, like, he can get in. Okay, so let's just drive him around. Okay, so let's go around here. We're not going to be able to rob the bank because we don't have a key card. As you can tell, we have nothing yet. And then we're going to probably have to rob the jewelry store. Okay. What are you doing? Holy crap. Okay, he doesn't want to get in, so we're just going to leave him. Yeah! Okay. Oh, he says turn music off. Nah, bro. Not happening. Okay, so let's go. Let's lock it. Let's wait for the train, to be honest, actually. You can just drive around here. I have no clip. Sorry guys, but I had to do that. Oh yeah, recently I deleted a video that I didn't like, but I gave a cop $1,000 just for a key card, which I thought was pretty good of a deal. I gotta play on my phone. Oh, there's a cop there. Oh, there's a train. She said, what is he doing? Oh, I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it. Oh, I didn't make it. Darn it. Car turned over. So the driver's seat should be over here. Yep. My mama car, see you on TV. Sunset, don't try. No, I'm just playing, guys. Alright. I got the cop thing over here. I'm not gonna be able to make it just because of how close it is to the ending. I'm gonna see if I can go straight through it. Oh, that was awesome. Nope, no key. I'm gonna have to call. I should have seen if he wanted a radio in his heli. I would have given it to him for free. Because you can put radios in helis and stuff like that and then give it to them for free. So they don't have to buy the Game Pass. That's probably her, so I'm gonna... Oh, it's not her. I do like his name, though. It's kind of like mine, so I'm gonna send him a friend request. If he's... Oh, okay. No, never mind. Nope. Not happening. Sorry, but no. If I find a Razor 2, that'd be awesome. I'd 100% friend them, even if they look like not cool. No, I'm just kidding, you guys. I friend anyone, but I was just playing with them. Everyone knows I just don't friend random people unless they have like some kind of name like me. Oh, there's a cop. He's chasing me now. Yep, no, he's chasing me. Oh, 9 screen, now we made it. Let's get away from him. Yeah. Okay, so he's kinda fast, so I'm gonna trick him out. Bye. Bye. Oh. Ha! Get wrecked. Top of lifestyle. I gotta play. Alright, there's a helicopter there. Should I risk it? I'm gonna risk it because he's kind of far away. Oh, crap. Oh, yeah, she's gonna try and arrest us. So I'm gonna gun you down. Don't arrest my friends. Nope, no keycard. I'm gonna take this chopper. Please don't be locked. Oh man, it's locked. Wait, let's try it one more time. Nope, it's locked. Oh, I think there are cops down there, so I'm just gonna... Nope, not cops. Card. Oh yeah, I got a card. It's not open yet. Oh! What is this? His name's Bursino, trying to... I got a key card as well. Okay, so let's go over here really quick to see if we can try and sneak the thing. I'm gonna turn this off really quick. Okay, so let's just sit here and wait. I don't know if this guy's got a key card or not. I'm gonna wait in the car. Unlock it. Okay, so let's just like... We need to wait. So I'm gonna go back here, so then whenever we get out, we can just go straight to the car. Wait, is it locked? No, it was not. You spin me right around, baby, right around like a record, baby, right around. Oh, was cop. There's no one there. What? Was that a cop? Oh, I think that's the cop. Well, that was kind of easy. He's the cop who tried to get me last time. I remember the car. It's open. We're your friend. Wow. Doop, 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 doop. Moving makes you get money faster, so that's why you see me moving. Sweet. Free 1K because there's no cops. Just really quickly go out and collect it. Oh, well. It says all three of us just robbed it for 3K. Now we have a $700 bounty. Let's see if the jewelry store's open. Oh, no, it's not open. Oh, that is, though. There's a cop right there. Yeah, break him. No, I got arrested. How did I get arrested? Oh, there's a cop right there. I didn't even see the cop. Oh, that sucks. Okay, guys, well, I think I'm going to end the video here. Hope you have a nice day. Remember to like and subscribe. And, yeah, bye.